Welcome to week 3. So what have we accomplished so far? Week 1, we took a look at this idea of Snow's two cultures, and we talked about how there's this divide between these two cultures, and if we can bridge them, then there's so much that we can learn from each other, and there's so much that we can learn just about the world. So we set this idea in week 1 that it's a good idea. And then in week 2, we took this idea a little bit further and played around with this idea of narrative as a tool that we can use to help bridge this divide. At the end of week 2, you wrote me a narrative, and I cannot wait to read it and also learn a whole bunch of cool stuff about all the different animals you've picked. So far, I know there's a penguin, there's a lion, and oh my, I think there's a bear. So I'm really looking forward to reading those narratives. Now, as we move forward into week 3, we're going to be talking a little bit about self-assessment, and it's so important to revisit your work and identify your strengths, but also your opportunities for improvement. This is something that I'm going to ask you to do all term long as you continue to develop your skill as a writer. So we have lots to discuss. Let's get started. Week 3.